how to add Arbitrum Network to your MetaMask wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, MetaMask, and today I'll guide you and how you can add Arbitrum Network to your MetaMask wallet. Well, the process itself was pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can open up your MetaMask wallet app here and then tap on the network that you are seeing at the top of your screen. Once you tap on it, you should get the option that says add network at the bottom. Tap on it, and now here under popular you can see the Arbitrum one. Now there are two different Arbitrum networks, so if you want another one you can head over to custom networks. In order to get the details, you can head simply into your browser and search in for chainlist.org, and here you can look in for Arbitrum Network. So you can see, you can tap on it and you should be able to see all the details necessary in order to connect wallets. So you can see here. So what you can do is enter in all these details here and tap on add, or you can see Arbitrum one here, you can tap on add and go ahead and confirm it and go through the prompts in order to add it. So this is how you can add Arbitrum to MetaMask. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.